witness a moment where skill meets stewardship. In this clip, our team performs precise tree trimming to protect the surrounding structure and promote healthier long-term growth. Every cut is planned, every movement intentional, an essential step in preparing the site for upcoming construction while respecting the natural landscape. If you enjoy behind-the-scenes looks at our projects and processes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along for more build journey moments.